Hey Glow Queens, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about curl definition, child. It's all about this beautiful, gorgeous babe that is on my head today. I'll show you how we got it from this roaring, gorgeous lion to these defined curls step by step. If you're new to this channel, my name is Buhle Pakati. I am a child of God through and through, and I love beauty, I love style, I love beautiful hair. Let's get into it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that other queens can also learn. This is a beginner friendly curl definition tutorial. You don't need any fancy products. It's just water and mousse and your brush, child. Let's get these curls defined. Enjoy. Hey queens, our first step is simple, child. Just water. Get yourself a spray bottle and just put in some water inside. It just cold water, simple as that. Make sure that your hair is nice and damp, and then you start brushing. There is a brush that I want to get. I still have this one, but it still does the job. I don't mind. Yeah, so we're gonna just brush the hair out. Make sure that before spraying your hair with water, your hair's already brushed, and you just, if it shades, yeah, it shades. I bought this hair from Temu. If I'm being honest, it's not really good quality. They said it's 100% human hair. I doubt it is. It shades a lot. I've had this hair for like a year, and every time I brush it, it definitely shades. But I mean, thank God the volume is actually not that bad, because with the shading, child, if it wasn't this big, it would be finished already. I love the color. I'm obsessed with the color. I think it's burgundy, almost reddish. So I am absolutely obsessed with it. And the curls are absolutely beautiful. You can see here that you can already spot the difference from the two different sides, but you keep on brushing just to make sure that the curls are defined. And yeah, I mean, spot the difference. Absolutely beautiful. Make sure that the hair is absolutely damp, you guys. Put in a lot of water, and this also prevents a lot of shading, because if you just brush the hair while it's dry, then it'll shade, especially if you don't have, if your hair is not really, good quality. But yeah, this is where we are right now. It's looking beautiful. I mean, this hair, you guys, it is sexy, it is stunning, it is absolutely beautiful. I love it with everything in me. It was definitely a good buy. You can clearly see the left from the right. Let's do this. There we go, with just a snap of a finger. This is just water, you guys. Still just water. We haven't done anything else, just brushed and then put in some water. It's already looking good. You can literally go out with this without anything. And then we add some mousse. This mousse, I bought it from Mr. Price. I think the brand is that Lungile. It's a brand. I honestly forgot the name of the brand. So you make sure that you put a lot of mousse. The nice thing is that the hair is already damp, so it just makes the process so much easy. And also, you don't really have to waste a lot of products and use a lot of mousse. You can already see, guys, we are literally done. That's it. Like, this is the easiest tutorial ever. It is absolutely stunning. The hair is beautiful. I mean, some people prefer it big, but I prefer it this way, both ways actually. I just use a bit of concealer just to part for my middle part, so that it's just visible. Yeah, it just makes the whole thing so nice. I did cut this hair, just a bit of layers there in front. As you can see, I probably will do layers again. I'll probably cut it again for more layers. This is a glueless wig, as you can see. Literally just a wear and go, a wear, water and go, child. We are done. Look at that beauty. We are looking beautiful. Oh my gosh, I look cutesy. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching till this far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's chat in the comment section. Which other tutorial would you like? Bye, queens.
Yeah, she don't need approval. She don't need permission. She just is. Clock it. Clock it. Yeah, clock it. You can't copy, you can't mock it. I'm one-on-one, can't duplicate. God, design me, I'm authenticated. Clock it, yeah, clock it. Grace on me, yeah, I got it. Walking truth, I don't force it. I am her, now recording. She got style, she got grace. You could see it in her face. She don't rush, she don't chase. She just move at a pace. She forgets, she evolves. She don't break, she resolves. She got peace in her soul and a heart that's been called. She a woman of esteem, built a life with a dream. She's solid, she's good, she's exactly what she seems. She don't need to explain.